First
mo
time.
namin papalik.
Okay guys, so madali ang tour lang. So, okay, dito muna agad tayo. So, this will be our shower room. Of course, yan na yung aming mirror and yan. And then we have 3 beds. And then, siguro dito mga aming luggage, bags, and then just chair, and then table, and then small TV, and then closet. Yeah, that's our room, guys. It's good. Maganda. Perfect.
Ano, ibo na ako.
Ano yung munang bakit po tayo?
Pinili ko kanina.
Au mari conçu sans péché.
Grabe, oh my gosh, what an experience.
4e mystère du
Oh my gosh. Okay guys, kakatapos na. Oh, wait lang. Uy! So guys, kakatapos na namin sa Holy Water. Ganda ng experience. And right now, after this, kakain muna kami sa Asian food. Of course, Asian food para may kanin. After we eat, magpuprocession kami dun ulit sa simbahan. And I'm so excited for that kasi talagang another first time experience ko din yun with them, with my family. So I'm very grateful. I'm very blessed and I'm very thankful. So, I'm gonna talk to you guys later, I think, while nakain ako or, you know, of course, i-rate ko ulit tong kainan na to. So, walang lighting. So, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye! Hey guys, so we just finished our dinner and lunch. So ngayon ang plano namin is bumili ng mga souvenirs kasi tomorrow maaga kaming umalis na dito sa Lourdes. So baka hindi na kami makabili. I hope to come back here kasi ang ganda talaga. So yeah, the food is nice. They're all nice. The people are nice dun kanina. Ngayon, bibili na kami ng mga souvenirs. So,
That night, after 9 o'clock, until 10 o'clock. Until 10 o'clock is the
Mama Mary.
Kaya nyo ba?
Okay guys, so nakabili na kami ng mga souvenirs, as you can see. And actually, konti lang binili ko kasi tomorrow sa Paris, pagbalik namin, bibili kami ng mga souvenirs. So, I think that's good. At least may souvenir ako dito sa Lourdes. Anyways, we're here na pala sa hotel. Ang lapit-lapit lang pala na. So, I'm very happy about this experience. So, later may procession na kami. So, bye. Pinatitingin na ako. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so it's currently 8 o'clock p.m. and we're actually going out na ulit kasi kanina nung kinausap ko kayo, it's like only 5 p.m. and then nandito muna kami sa hotel para mag-rest, and then again it's 8 o'clock and then we're gonna wait until 9 kasi yun yung oras ng procession namin sa simbahan. We're going na sa room ni mommy kasi ibibigay ko tong gift na to. Hindi ko na siya nabalot pa kasi I think okay na din naman siya na ganitong balot. Yeah, actually birthday kasi ni mommy ngayong July 15 birthday niya, and ngayon is July 4. So, medyo mapapaaga yung gift ko sa kanya kasi I have a feeling kasi talaga na bibili ni mommy yung wallet na gusto niya dun sa souvenir shop. Kaya inunahan ko na ako na yung bumili, na hindi niya alam, actually of course, hindi niya alam na binili ko yun para sa kanya. Pero kasi yung wallet na yon is parang paglalagyan niya ng rosary. So, sana magamit ni mommy. So, happy birthday mommy! So, I hope you will like this. Let's go!
Wow! Birthday gift? Yay! Ibilin ko nga sana ito, anak. Ano yan? Lagyan ko ng rosary. Thank you, thank you.
Hey guys, so bumili ulit kami dun sa shop, like literal na same shop, and we've been there like almost 3 times already, and andun na pa rin, and they're so nice, and yeah, hindi naman sa pero they actually keep complimenting me dun sa bag ko. Pero yeah, they're so nice actually, and then lagi nila sinasabi na yung bag ko ilagay sa unahan para walang mga pickpockets na
sabay hawak sa bag ko.
Yeah, so yeah, ngayon ito na talaga. We just bought sa same shop din itong candle para sa procession. So
following a declaration by Monsignor Laurence, Bishop of our Heavenly Mother. Together, let us give thanks to God for all the miracles and graces received here. 9 p.m.
Durante la aparición del martes 2 de marzo de...
Je vous salue Marie, pleine de grâce. Le Seigneur est avec vous. Vous êtes bénie entre toutes les femmes, et Jésus, le fruit de vos entrailles, est béni.
Diyos ay sumasayo, bukod kang pinagpala sa babae lahat, at pinagpala ng
Il Signore è con te. Tu sei benedetta tra le donne Donnez la paix et l'espérance aux...
Okay guys, tapos na yung session. And wow, it's very solemn talaga yung experience. And we're going upstairs to take a picture. And at the same time, makapasok kami sa loob. So, ay. Ay guys, tingnan mo. Like, ito yung ilaw. Para doon. Ang layo, diba? Galing. So, actually, sorry kung ganito na itsura ko kasi lamig-lamig. Tapos, ang lamig ng tubig. Pero talagang masarap. At of course, kasi yun ay tubig from grotto. So, of course, talagang okay lang sa akin. Pero, yeah. Bye! I hope makapunta ulit kami here kasi sayang hindi kami nakapasok sa loob kasi sarado na. Pero yeah, siguro sa susunod na yun. So, pero yeah, I'm very happy. So, see you soon again. Bye! So guys, this is our breakfast.
Room on board. Palat. Diyos ko, matagal pa ni-upload.
Ang beri ka. Gandahan mo lang kung video ka. Ibaba mo ng konti.
Pwede ba ito gamit?
Show me how you care. Tell me how you love before. we're back in Vienna, and actually I'm just gonna end this vlog, this Paris vlog. So grabe, I love this trip so much. So I hope you like this trip then, this vlog. So I love Paris talaga, so I hope to come back there soon. So thank you guys for watching, and follow me on my social media accounts. I'm gonna see you guys soon. Bye!